Hi everyone. So this is, as promised, the little flip through of my Magical Forest, Enchanted Forest journal, which is all finished now. So this is the cover. I love the way these little butterflies and dragonflies have turned out. These were done with like a little stamp. I actually got those in WH Smith online. They were doing 3 for the price of 2, which was excellent because I got some free ones. Always love a bargain. So we've got, as usual, we've got a little space for a bookmark. I've also put a little definition thing in there. So the signature cover is my own digital, backed with some book page. I've got quite a lot of stickers in this one. This one is a little bit more decorated than my other ones, just a little bit more. There's a lot more stuff that's gone into this one. Just a little pouch. And some stickers. As usual, love the tracing paper. Still plenty of room to write, but there's probably a little bit more decoration. This signature cover was made from some a calendar which I covered in. I actually stuck some very thin 1-ply of a tissue on there, a napkin. So that's that. That just needs trimming down a little winny bit, so I'll sort that out. So still lots of space. I love these little stickers that I got. And there's lots, all these pouches have little things tucked away in them. Use your little key. And this was a little digital that I did myself as well. Again, we've got this really lovely dyed tracing paper. Lots of stamps and stickers and a little collage. Some stenciling and some blank pages and lots of tree patterns. So really cute little mini journal. So usually my mini journals I put up for sale in my Etsy store. I usually keep them about 11, I think I put 11 pounds something. This one will just be a little bit more expensive because there's been more work that's gone into this and I've bought more materials to complete it. So it will be a little bit more expensive, not a lot, because, you know, it's just for the joy of it, really. Thank you ever so much for watching. If you have liked the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you like this sort of thing. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you all again soon. Bye for now.